Rodrigo!
Although the Bondok believe in the Anito or spirits of their ancestors and in spirits dwelling in nature, they are essentially monotheistic. Their god is Lumawig, their culture hero and son of the god Kabunyan, although the two are also perceived as one and the same religious practices, rituals, and kanwas, and attend their cycles of life, death, and agricultural activities. There are many kinds of kanwa. The KOS is the feast for the manor warp, which is the ritual imploring Lumawig for rain. A KOS is also held when a person's name needs to be changed because of an incurable ailment that is believed to be caused by an ancestral spirit. The Pausog is feast for fertility rites. There are sacred days called Tengaw, which are same 46 days scattered in a year, when work in the fields is taboo. The Tengo are generally associated with crops, climate, weather, and sickness. During period, kapya are addressed to the spirits for the favors and blessing. The Manayeng is a group prayer asking Lumawig for